Example 5, using an inscribed quadrilateral. In the diagram, quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in circle P. I forgot to put the P there. Hold on, there we go. Okay, now we know it's circle P. Find the measure of each angle. So we know that since ABCD is inscribed in a circle, opposite angles are supplementary. So we can set the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle C equal to 180. So we can say 2y plus 5x equals 180. And then we can also set the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle B equals 180. So 3y plus 3x equals 180. And what we get here, is a system of linear equations. And you can solve a system of linear equations many different ways. But the easiest way to solve the system of linear equations is to use Desmos. So I am going to show you in Desmos, and I think I have to do that in another video and embed that in this video, so hold on one second. So now I've opened up Desmos, and all I need to do first is to type in the first equation, which is 2y plus 5x equals 180. Oh, actually, I'm typing in 3y plus 3x equals 180. Sorry, I just did this on a different screen. So 3y plus 3x equals 180. And now I type in the second equation, 5x plus 2y equals 180. And I see where they intersect, which is right here at 20 and 40. So as I can see from my Desmos solution, I have this ordered pair 20, 40, and 20 is in the x position and 40 is in the y position. So I can just say x equals 20 and y equals 40, and that's all I have to do. There are many other ways, as I mentioned earlier, of solving a system of equations, but using Desmos and seeing where the equations intersect is by far the simplest.